ReConstruct will enable you to perform a simple find and replace action on tabs and properties in one application. Under General Configuration, open ReConstruct. Select the plus icon and name your template. Then select the Rename tab. In this model, we will rename the Structural Element Data and HVAC Data tabs and two of their properties. Once you've identified what you want to rename, populate the Find, Replace and Action fields. You can see we have used an asterisk in the Find allocation. This allows us to replace a string of text. More specifically, iConstruct will look for the word Data, including any text in front of it. In the Action field, you'll see an option to replace attribute name and replace property name. Select the correlating function and save your template. You can now apply your configured tool to the model, and ReConstruct is now exporting a separate NWD file with the changes applied to that model. We'll call in that exported file and when you select an object, you'll see the tab and property fields have been updated.